If you're considering using Sellfy for dropshipping, there are 12 things you need to know before you make a decision. By the end of this video, you'll understand whether Sellfy is the right platform for your business or if you should consider alternatives. First up, Sellfy is an e-commerce platform that allows you to sell products directly online, and it's especially popular with dropshippers. But how does it stack up against competitors like Shopify or BigCommerce? While Shopify is feature-rich and ideal for larger stores, Sellfy offers a simpler setup, which is great for beginners. However, that simplicity comes with some limitations that you should consider. Next thing to know is the pricing structure. Sellfy has straightforward pricing plans, which can be an advantage if you like transparency. Unlike Shopify, which charges additional fees for certain features, Sellfy's plans are all-inclusive, covering everything you need to get started. But the trade-off is that it might lack some of the advanced features you'll find in Shopify's higher-tier plans. The third thing to mention is that Sellfy's design options are limited compared to other platforms. While it does offer some templates, they aren't as customizable as those on Shopify or BigCommerce. If branding and unique design are a priority for you, this might be a downside. But for those who want a simple, no-fuss setup, Sellfy could be perfect. Fourth thing, Sellfy offers integrated marketing tools. You get email marketing and discounts right out of the box, which is great for building customer relationships. But if you're looking for more advanced marketing features, platforms like Shopify give you access to a wider range of apps and integrations, which can scale with your business. The fifth thing is that Sellfy supports physical, digital, and subscription-based products, so it's versatile if you plan on expanding your offerings. However, if you're only focused on dropshipping, you might find the platform a bit overbuilt. Shopify, for example, focuses heavily on dropshipping with robust integrations like Oberlo, which can make sourcing products easier. Next, the ease of use is one of Sellfy's strongest points. With a drag-and-drop interface, you can quickly create your store without needing any coding skills. For beginners, this is a huge plus. On the other hand, Shopify offers more customization but has a steeper learning curve. Another point to consider is Sellfy's transaction fees. While Shopify offers different pricing plans with varying transaction fees, Sellfy charges a small transaction fee, especially if you're on a lower tier plan. This is something to keep in mind if you're working with a tight profit margin. The eighth thing is the limited payment gateway options Sellfy provides. While it integrates with PayPal and Stripe, it doesn't support as many payment providers as Shopify. If you're running a global business, you might find Shopify's wider payment gateway options more accommodating. Next, Sellfy's customer support is decent, but it doesn't match up to Shopify's 24/7 support. If you're running a business that requires constant support, this could be a factor to weigh. However, for smaller operations, Sellfy support should be enough, especially considering the ease of use of the platform. The 10th thing to keep in mind is SEO features. Sellfy gives you basic SEO tools, but it doesn't have the same level of optimization as Shopify. Shopify's advanced SEO features, such as automatic image compression, URL editing, and integration with Google Analytics, might be more useful if you're focused on driving traffic. Next, Sellfy offers good shipping integrations. It supports a range of shipping methods, but if you're running a larger store, you might find its shipping options a bit restrictive compared to Shopify's more robust integrations with shipping carriers like UPS and FedEx. The 12th and final thing to consider is Sellfy's scalability. While it's great for small businesses or those just starting out, it may not be the best choice as your store grows. Shopify offers more scalability and advanced features that cater to larger operations. If you plan to scale up your dropshipping business, you might want to check out more comprehensive solutions like Shopify or BigCommerce. So, is Sellfy a good option? Absolutely. It's simple to use, has fair pricing, and is a great starting point for anyone new to dropshipping. But if you're looking for more advanced features and scalability as your business grows, we recommend checking out our solution, which you can try for free.